everyone. I hope this work. Okay, I think it is working. I'm having so much trouble with the internet today, so I'll just wait a little bit. I just want to test the audio, so this time it is working. Okay, excellent. Now it is working. Okay, so this is TikTok. First of all, welcome to the weekly Q&A. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are. So this week, I have actually combined the two groups together. So the Simple Business Funnel pay group and also my free Facebook group. So I'm going to gather the questions like every week, and then I'm going to live stream into the pay group, and then I will upload the video to the free Facebook group so I can actually answer all questions at once. Okay, and so this week we've got 4 questions, 4 submitted questions, and 2 are related to the Simple Business Funnel platform, and then the other 2 is more like a general marketing coaching question. So I think I will just go to the general question first. Okay, so first one, let me see, June. It's from June. I know list building is important. I struggle to get people to engage with my content, and I don't know how to do it. Okay, so first of all, I am not sure which platform or which channel you're using. Are you using Facebook, or are you using Instagram and or LinkedIn? Because I don't know much about your industry or what you do. So in general, what I will look at is definitely your channel. So do you know what is the best strategy for your channel? For example, are your audience are all on Facebook or they're on Instagram? So different platform will have different strategy. Or are your audience are, let's say, on YouTube? So I am not sure which channel you're using. So if you can give me more information, that will be great. Or reach out to me or ask me any questions under this video. I'm happy to answer them. And then your audience. So you might, like when you say struggle with your content, so you might put up posts out there, I don't know how often, but you do have content going out there. You just haven't got the engagement. So I will actually look at your audience. So the people that can see your posts, are they your ideal clients, or are they family and friends? Okay, that is very important. So if you are doing your business messaging, but your network, it's all about your family and friends. Even though they want to support you, they like your post, they share, but at the end of the day, you're not getting the actual potential customers. Okay, and also I don't know how you actually list building. So are you actually putting out content there and getting their emails or some sort of contact from them, or are they your subscribers? How do you actually reach out to them and bring them into your circle? So I don't know whether, for example, if it's Facebook, because at the moment the reach is really low, and even though you put out content, I don't know how many of your audience actually like reach them. How many of them can actually see your content? That is one of the question. Secondly, your messaging. Okay, like even if you, first of all, I assume that you have your audience, okay, right? And then how about your messaging? Are you answering their questions? Are they providing something that they need or they want? Because remember, give them what they want, not what they need. Give them what they want now, and then give them what they need later once they get into your circle. So do you know your audience well? So what's your messaging? Because I have limited information here, but usually it will be your channel, your audience, and also your messaging. So make sure all these 3 are correct or in the right direction at least, then you can test your content. And also, how long have you been testing your content? Or how often do you post? don't just give up, like, don't feel frustrated, okay? So at least you try non-stop. I'm not saying non-stop, like Monday to Sunday, but let's say posting 3 times a week and for at least 3 months, okay? See how you go. See what is the engagement. And also make sure that you turn your personal profile into the professional mode so that you can actually see more data. I'm talking about Facebook, okay, if you're using Facebook. Otherwise, let me know if you're using other channel, okay? If you can give me more information, then I'll give you a more precise answer, okay? And then the next one is from Wayne. I am a business coach. I see many coaches offering Voxer. What do you think about this? Have you done it before? How do you find your clients? Okay, yes. Many coaches offering Voxer, yes. Have I done it before? Yes. But now I tend to do like offer 3 times a year. Not that often now because I actually switch. For example, with my simple business funnel, this is what I want to promote or what I'm working on. I have to show people. If people usually have a question, they do have more like a technical question. So I need the screen to actually share with them. I'll record video. So Voxer, it doesn't work well with what I need to show. Okay. However, if it's like a coaching client, then it is perfect because the coaching clients that I've got usually will have questions about pricing, okay, and also what services they can offer. Like some of the coaches, they just got too many things, okay, they've got too many things they want to offer. They would tell me, I've got this, actually, I create that, and can I use this, so it's too many offers at the back end. They don't know what's their goal. So I help them to nail down and then have 3 main offer. This is like the maximum. When I say 3 main offer, meaning that a front end offer, a signature offer, and also high ticket. Okay, I help them to nail down into 3, and some of them will have just 1 to start with. Okay, so it really depends on what you offer. So for my coaching client, Voxer is good because with the Voxer as a coach, you can actually answer whenever you're free and also give a time frame. So it worked perfectly for me because like sometimes you don't have to, like you just need some quick answer. Okay, some of the clients, they just want to know, okay, should I do this or should I do that? It's very easy, just give them a solution and then they're happy. No, I think for my client, they are not at the beginning. Okay, so they are more like into the business for about a year or 2. So they already got some sort of offer, they already got some sort of traction, but they just want to know the next step. So for Voxer is perfect, but for what I'm doing now, the simple business funnel, it is very difficult with Voxer because they can't actually see the screen, and also I need to record to show them step by step of how to do things if they got any questions. So Voxer is good. So again, depending on what services you offer and how do you find your clients. So with the clients, I have like email to my email list and also my network. I do get referrals. So yeah. So again, it's about your network. It's about your audience, right? Okay, and then move on to the simple business funnel platform questions. So from Anne, for your platform, I can see there are different pricing. With a $47 a month, do I have all the templates or are there templates for other plans? Okay, good question. So what I'll do, I'll share this screen with you. Okay. This is not the screen that I want to share. Okay, let me do it the other way. Not sure why it's actually showing the Facebook page. Okay, let me try again. Okay. It's funny thing, like the internet is not liking me today for sure. Okay, I don't know what happened. I try to share a different screen, see whether it works. Okay, let me see if this works. Okay, yep, it works on the other screen. Okay, excellent. So, you go to pricing monthly. Okay, so in terms of the three different plans, basically it's just different content, including different things like website, how many domains they can connect, family funnels. So it's more like it's actually the same, it's just different level. Okay, so but then with all the templates, you still get the templates that you can see, whether it's other like e-coms funnel, e-coms website, landing pages, or the one that I basically built for coaches, they're all included. So basically anything that you see here, this is what I created, it's all included. Okay, and if you got a website, let's say, but it's not ready, you can do like coming soon. Okay, so and then everything that you see on here, it's all included, so that are a lot. Okay, all the templates will be included, so don't worry about like even if you with the pricing, even if with the lowest one, $47 a month, you get all the template. But if you pay like commit monthly, obviously it will be cheaper. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So if you look at details, it's actually just different level, but the templates are all included. Okay, so and then I hope that answer your question. And the last questions from Bob. There are many templates. If I start at one, can I change it to another design? Great question. So what I will do, I will show you inside my funnels. Okay. Okay. I have to move everything over because the screen is not working. Okay, so you can see this is my back end. So let's say this is the one that I create for the upsell. So if you are in my behind the scene bundle applications, so you will actually following, like I just posted, like do a live today, but again, I might need to record it again because of the internet, it's like breaking up. So, okay, this is the upsell page. Okay, this is what I built. I'm pretty happy with the result actually. It was based on a Canva template, so I will say 90%, okay, similar to the one that that's I offer. Okay, so if you can see here, when you click here, you can see you can duplicate this funnel, you can delete. If you are not happy with the one that you create, you just come here and delete. And then when you start a new one, you can choose another template. Okay, so to your answer, yes, you can delete and recreate. It's not like stuck with one template. And also your plan comes with 5 funnels. Okay, so you can have 5, and if you don't like one of them, you can delete. Okay, so it's all very flexible. I hope that answer your questions. If you've got more questions about the Simple Business Funnel, I'm really happy to answer any of your questions. And also for those who haven't got the Simple Business Funnel yet, if you have any questions about the platform, again, let me know. All right. So these are the 4 questions I've got for this week. It's pretty straightforward, quick answers. So I already post the link here. So if you got any question, put it in the form and then I'll do a live next week. So next week I'll be doing live a little bit earlier, not towards the end of the week, maybe middle of the week, because I'll be traveling. Okay. So yes, any questions, post it in the group. Happy to answer them. And if you got any question, let me know. Other than that, I will let you go. So have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.